and I'm going to explain you all the details regarding all-in-one WP migration plugin. So let's start with installing the plugin. So I will add this plugin. So, so this plugin has three options in free version: export, import, and backups. So using backup, you can create the backup of existing site. I mean, the snapshot of this website will be created at your server, and you can see this is the snapshot. So, if you want to migrate this site to some new host or some new hosting environment, you need to download it, and then you need to upload to the new host and restore it. Export means you can directly export this site snapshot of this site to to file to your local system or to some cloud services like Google Drive, Amazon, Dropbox, and all. But these are all paid extension. If I will do now, as I am using free version, it is asking me to pay. So I will give you option to get it free. I do have a group license. If you want this plugin and all extension to be in free, just drop me a comment or mail me. I will contact you. See, as you can see now the site version is like I have installed a fresh copy. So it's a default site. And I have already have taken the backup. You can see the backup over here. Okay. So I will demo you on the new. I do have a existing backup of other site. So what I'm going to do, I will upload that backup, and this website will change according to my backup. So I will show you how to do it. So from here, as we have to restore some another site, I need to import the file. So I do have a file system. From here I can do. So I have taken backup of my current site. I will upload that only. See, now as I am using the free version, it is asking me the file size limit has exceeded. So I need to purchase or I have to install the unlimited plugin. So for that, what I will do, I have the plugin. I've already purchased it. If you guys need this plugin, just drop me a mail or drop a comment and leave your email ID. I will send you the files. So I do have plugin over here. Plugins. See, this plugin is having this one is the core plugin what we have installed already, and we need to install this unlimited extension. So after installing this, that 1 GB restriction will go. We do have a couple of options to remove that restriction. You need to know the coding. We have to modify constant function page, but it's better to go with this plugin as I can provide you the free. You can install other plugins too. Suppose I want to upload or get files from Google Drive, then I have to install this plugin. So I will demo you both. I will upload a file a website backup from local also, and I will do it from Google Cloud also. So from first we will go with local. Now if I will import my backup, then it will allow me as I have installed the unlimited extension. So based on your server speed and file size, it may take 5 minutes to half an hour. Normally, if the backup size is 1 GB and you are using cloud server like me, then it will take hardly 10 minutes. So let's see. So now the 100% file got uploaded. So we need to click proceed. So now the uploaded archive will be restored and the corresponding files will be created at server. After this, the database will be also created. You can see the progress. Now you can see the database is restoring. So I think it will take another couple of 2 3 minutes. So now you can see the site has been imported successfully. We can check. So we will visit the site. See, initially it was default WordPress site. Now it is changed to my site, the backup which I have taken. Now one more important thing I want to say. See, I have taken backup in the beginning, if you remember. So when you restore any site backup, then the username password will be the same as per the newly restored website. So after restoring, if you are going to admin, you need to log in. See, this is the first backup which I took after installing the default WordPress instance. So now if you want to revert back, you can simply click a restore button over here. So what it will do, it will revert my site to the initial version, the first default version. As this backup was only 27 MB, it will take hardly 2 minutes. So this plugin is very useful as if you are, see, let me show you the site. See, it has become the default site now. S- So the best part of this plugin is you can take the snapshot. Suppose you are upgrading some plugin or you are updating your themes, you are updating your PHP version. So it's better to take a snapshot so that if something goes bad, you can revert back to previous installed installed instance. So whenever you are going to modify something or you are going to add some implementation into your site, it's better to take the backup of that current instance. So now I will show you. See, I have installed the Google Drive extension also. So if I need to export to Google Drive, it's very simple. Go to Google Drive. So we need to link your Google Cloud username and password. So I have linked my account. I need to allow it. Now you can simply click over here, backup, export, and export to Google Drive. So same thing it will do. Whatever the current instance of site is there available at server, it will create the replica backup to Drive. Initially, we had created at the server and we downloaded to local system. Now it is creating to cloud. So now it's uploading the backup what it has created. It is uploading to Google Drive. So same thing we can do for Dropbox, Amazon S3. For this we need the extension. I think that will cost you around $65. But if you want free this, I have the group license. Just drop me a comment and it should be drop me your mail ID so that I can send it through your mail and you can use it. I have almost all the extension I have purchased. I will show you. Plugin. See there, Dropbox, G Drive, multi-site extension, S3. So these are all the extensions of this all-in-one WP migration plugin. So so now the backup has gone to Google Drive. So if you want to import in future, I will show you how to do it. You need to install this Google Drive extension and import from Google Drive. As my Google Drive account is already linked, it will show me the list of file and I will take the required backup. So coordinates, see this, I think this is, yeah, 2 minutes ago I took. So this is the backup. So just you need to click this one. So that's all from my side. If you like the video, please do subscribe and leave a comment. You can visit my blog site also. It's a coordinate.world. I will mention each and every information in my through link. Thank you. Thanks a lot.